Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. Ever face the Toram Online Error Code 40001? It's a common issue that players encounter when trying to register their Steam account to Asobimo for the backup of their data and crossplay. The error can be the result of mistakes on the user's end or due to temporary glitches. To resolve this error, begin by ensuring that there are no errors in your email or password. Your password should be between 4 and 32 characters and must contain alphanumeric characters, that is, a mix of letters and numbers. Try entering the first letter of your email in capital and input your password before entering your email. Next, verify the email used for the registration process to ensure that registration was successful. If you're using Windows 11 and Microsoft Edge as your browser, ensure it is updated to the latest version. Clearing your browser cache data can also be helpful. Keep your browser open before clicking the register button. If the error persists, give it another shot 5 to 6 times. Sometimes temporary server issues can cause this error, and retrying may resolve the problem. If the issue continues, it's advisable to reach out to the Asobimo support team. In summary, the Toram Online Error Code 40001 can be resolved by ensuring correct email and password input, verifying email registration, updating your browser if you're using Microsoft Edge on Windows 11, clearing browser cache data, and retrying a few times. If all else fails, contacting the Asobimo support team is your best bet. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.